We love showcasing local talent on our show, and today's Sounds of the Suncoast has a true Florida theme. Here is Chris Otto singing an original song about something very special to us on the Suncoast. Take it away.
Welcome to our beach. You come to see the manatees. Please help keep our waters clean. They live among us so peacefully. So you like to play in the sand. Keep your personals close at hand. No implements left behind. Respect the water's nature and please be kind. God bless the manatees, gentle giants of the sea. Furry sea cows to you and me, living in peace and harmony. I've been close enough to see. Please don't touch, just let them be. Mothers travel close to shore, tired of swimming, getting beach and being warm. God bless the manatees, gentle giants of the sea. One of God's grace gives to you and me, live in peace and harmony. God bless the manatees, God bless the manatees. God bless the manatee.
Wow.
All right, so I feel like we should be like at a beach bar right now.
Hey, it's Friday afternoon.
It's Friday, right? We need a pina colada, but more importantly than that, this song is about something that's near and dear to our hearts here in Florida.
It is. You know, I get to go out and ride my paddleboard, and I get to see a lot of things. And the manatee video that I got to shoot 3 weeks ago was very special, and I lived through my songs by writing about them.
Inspiring, I
And someone on Facebook chimed in and said, why don't you write a song that explains the purpose of what the manatees are doing on the beach? It's mating season right now. And so a lot of people that visit Siesta Key get to see that, and I was one of them. And this song came about just overnight.
All right.
Well,
so
it has a very good message.
It does.
That is definitely
and
something.
we're missing
that's
Snooty the manatee, so this is
Yes,
a
we
great
are.
reminder to conserve all of our ones living out in the wild. And you can see Chris at St. Armand Circle Saturday night. And coming up, will there be power problems with the eclipse? We'll talk to some experts, but first, let's hear Chris one more time.
Caught you knocking on the cellar door. I love you, baby, can I have some more?